So, galing kami sa Asian store. Meron siyang lychee. Ito naman pandan jelly. Ano pandan jelly?
Pandan sweet layered cake.
Oh, sweet layered cake pala na pandan. And then now we have to, meron siyang lychee jelly.
Oh, your
Yung
quality
malaki.
is so good.
$8. Grabe. Parang kalamay pala to, kalamay. No, pandan. And then now we are here to try Indigo. Where is it? What's the name?
Indigo tea.
Indigo Tea Company.
Look. I found a dog.
Oh. So she's gonna try here. No outside food. No smoking. That looks so cute, but I don't know what's the use of it. Do you know how?
I have been here.
I like that one. May mga gumagawa ng homework nila doon, oh. Oh,
Yeah,
diba?
that's pretty.
Parang sa Starbucks. Tara na pala. Wag na. O, parang sa ano, oh. Yung mga nakita natin sa ano na yan? Oh, hindi. Yung gusto ko yung ganito. Yan, oh. Yung nakita natin sa Chinatown. Oh, ito ang gusto ko. Ito, oh, ito.
You have to buy it.
Ah, yung nakasulat? Oh, ang ganda. Or ito. Oh. Oh, ayaw niya. Ha? Ayaw naman ni Baba. Ewan ko bakit ayaw niya. So, huwag na lang. Ang gusto niya, lamanggonada.
If I don't finish something.
Ayan na lang kunin mo.
What do you want?
Wala.
Hey, you get something.
Hindi na.
You get something.
Not today. Sige na. What I like, you said you want me get something?
Yeah.
I like the tripa taco.
Okay.
I bet Dad would like that too. Yeah, everything.
I'll get the lamangolada.
Mangonada?
And
Isa lang? That's so cute. Next time we will sit together with Dad here. It's cute. Yun silang ano, oh. Anong tawag na dyan? The one? The drinks. The rice drink. Oh, horchata. Oh, I forget what to call that one. Horchata. And then look at that. Los Mangoes. Cute colors of the chair. Send that to her. It's okay.
you want another one?
Next time.
Wow, go.
Sino yan? Babalu?
It's you.
Yeah, Babalu. Ang haba naman. Ang haba ng bibig. Her mangonada.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Tingnan mo.
Dad would like this one.
Wow.
This mangonada looks so good. Dad would like this one.
No, it's mine.
Maybe we'll take him here next time.
Wow.
Because we don't know the place. We just... where did we go that we...
Wow.
How is the manga? Is it sour? It's a sour
Do you
one?
like it?
Oh, because yung siguro yung native to. Hindi naman native. No, it's not the native. Mm. Good. Kinamay na. Wala na akong tinidor.
This one is the sour one.
Oh, it's crunchy. Crunchy and sweet. Nagkapekas-pekas na ako. Sa trabaho ko kasi. Natatalsikan ng kwan, alcohol.
My skin got better.
Oh, try pa. I will show it to Dad. Okay, here you go.
Wow.
The lemon ay lime. Kainin na hanggang sa buto. Meron ng masarap dito, nakainan. Sabihin ko kay Daddy to. Oh, hindi nalalayo.
And it's super cheap.
Uy,
Wow.
ang harap.
So good.
Ito pala. Yan, manghang folks. Manghang na pagkain. Tripe yan na roasted. Or, yeah. Uy, mas gusto ko yung tripe. Tripe pa nila dito. Man.
This is so pretty and it's good too. This is our new place, guys.
Nilibre ako ng babauti, no? Siya nagbayad. Thank you, Baba. We'll bring Daddy next time. Oh, ang anghang. Sarap anghang.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Gusto ni Daddy dito. Oh, nakakatuwa. Nakakain kami dito. Nagustuhan niya yung kanyang, ano na yan?
Mangonada.
Mangonada. Ayun na, Los Mangos. Oh, ubos. Nasimot. Dalhin ko si Daddy tonight.
Tonight? Okay.
She bought elote. Elote. What is elote? It's a corn na merong kwan. Ano tawag na dyan? Tahin? Manghang. What's that? Mango ice cream? Oh wow. That's good. I just didn't expect it, but it's good. Yeah.
I love this like tangy flavor.
Yeah, of course, manga.
It's spicy?
But I like it. I like the spice. Now we're back here. Key Taco Mix Grill. There, Daddy. So they have machete. Kaya mo? Now the horchata. Tamarindo at first.
Rio.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Huh? Nya. Luto da. Now me and Daddy's turn. A while ago it's babautin. Now we have to try it together with Daddy. She's cooking Daddy's machete. Machete is hindi niya nilagay kung gaano kalaki yung machete, no? Kung 16 inches.
Hindi ka. Kaya lang sa buwasan na siguro kami. Kami doon, di ba na kung mas malapit.
Tripa taco. Oh, masarap. Si Daddy naman, ito maanghang yung sausawan. Oh, machete. Yan, parang mas maanghang to. Oh, patingin sa loob, Daddy. Pakibukas. Oh, wow. Good for you.
Basit lang tiga lang super taco.
Yeah. Sarap. Manghang? Mas manghang yung isa. I feel like the other one is more. Yeah, that's the spiciest. That's what I thought. What do you think?
Mas spicy ito.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I took. Kulang. Ha. What did you order, Daddy?
Machete.
Ah, machete nga ba? Then what's the meat?
Asada and
Asada?
tripa.
Asada and tripa. Okay. How is it? Spicy?
Good.
Oh, good. Alright, time to eat. He even took some of the, what you call that one? Roasted chili. Wow. It's spicy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Masarap. Masarap ang ababa natin pa yan.